welcome back to our channel Neesan Study Corner with a new and informative video. Today's video is all about conversion and comparison of decimals. So let's start today's video. You have already studied about like and unlike decimals in the previous video. Hope it may help you. आज के इस वीडियो में पहले कन्वर्जन पढ़ेंगे और बाद में कंपैरिजन ऑफ डेसिमल्स भी बताऊंगा. नाउ वी विल स्टडी हाउ टू कन्वर्ट ए डेसिमल नंबर इनटू ए फ्रैक्शन. You all have known that a fraction having denominator 10, 100 or 1000 are the decimal fractions. मतलब जो फ्रैक्शन में डिनोमिनेटर 10, 100 या 1000 है वे सब डेसिमल फ्रैक्शंस कहे जाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल 2/10, 73/100, 972/1000. Here the bottom number is a power of 10. Now solve one problem. Convert 0.3 into fraction. 0.3 equals 3/10. Because we have one number after the decimal point, while writing in fraction, we have 10 in the denominator. And the number itself is the numerator. और एक बार कह रहा हूँ, अच्छे से समझो. डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद जितना नंबर्स है नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में एक के पास उतना ज़ीरो लगेगा. आओ और एक एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. 0.72 यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर में नंबर 72 लिखेंगे और डिनोमिनेटर में 1 के पास 2 ज़ीरो पुट करेंगे. ये हो जाएगा 72/100. Let's solve some questions. Convert the following decimals into fractions. 0.752, 1.24, 0.89 and 2.03. यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर में सभी नंबर लिखेंगे और डिनोमिनेटर में डेसिमल पॉइंट के हिसाब से 1 के पास ज़ीरोस लिखेंगे. तो आंसर होगा 0.752 इक्वल 752/1000, 1.24 इक्वल 124/100, 0.89 इक्वल 89/100 and 2.03 इक्वल 203/100. ये तो हो गया. अभी चलो हाउ टू कन्वर्ट ए फ्रैक्शनल नंबर इनटू ए डेसिमल नंबर वो सिखाता हूँ. Given fraction is 3/10. Convert it into decimal. Divide 3 divided by 10. Here 3 can be divided by 10. If we put 1 point in a quotient, we can write 0 in the dividend. Now the dividend is 30. 30 divided by 10 equals 3. Write in quotient after decimal point. We get the quotient 0.3. But easily we can find the decimal number. Here is 1 0. So decimal point will be here before one number. Like this, convert the following 37/100. Here 1 के पास 2 0 है. तो डेसिमल पॉइंट विल बी बिफोर 2 नंबर. तो आंसर होगा 37/100 इक्वल 0.37. 3/100. बिकॉज 1 के पास 2 zeros है, डेसिमल पॉइंट विल बी बिफोर 2 numbers. बट गिवन इज 1 number, that is 3. So we write a 0 here. तो आंसर होगा 0.03. Understood? Now we will discuss about comparison of decimals. For comparing decimals, we have to compare digits from left to right. That is from whole number to fractional part numbers. You can understood with this example. 0.45 and 0.50. Step 1. Compare the zeros, that is whole numbers. Both are same. Step 2. Compare the 10th place digits, that is from the fractional part. that is 4 and 5. 5 is bigger than 4. So don't go to another place for comparison. Here we get the bigger number, that is 0.50. So 0.45 is less than 0.50. Let's take another example. 1.75 and 0.57. We know for comparing decimals, first compare the digits from left to right. Left digits are 1 and 0. By comparing both, 1 is greater than 0. So 1.75 is greater. You can take another examples. Compare them. In 0.39 and 0.9, which is greater? By comparing from left to right, we should convert the above decimals into like decimals. 0.39. The like decimal for 0.9, we have to put 1 0 after 9. So we get 0.90. Now by comparing from left to right in decimals, here zeros are same. Next numbers are 3 and 9. 9 is greater than 3. So 0.90 is greater than 0.39 or 0.9 is greater than 0.39. Understood? This is all about today's class. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो एक लाइक और शेयर कर देना. चैनल पे नए आए हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना. If you have any queries, please follow me at Insta at NSC Best. Thanks for watching.